Okay, y'all, so it is Sunday, and I'm about to make my little morning shot. I already had my tea. I'm done with that. I got a little bit more left. So right here, I'm about to make my other morning shot. I need my... Alright, lemon squeeze. Put some lemon in there. Same thing. Hurt my hand. I think I got copper tongue a little bit because... Come on, damn it. I'm about to turn it around. I could have used lemon juice, but I'd rather use fresh lemons. I got them, so why not use them, right? Alright. I don't think I'm going to get no more. Alright, that's it. Alright, that's the lemon. And I'm going to hit it with that cayenne pepper. This helped with my sinuses too, y'all. That cayenne pepper helped with a lot of shit. Alright. Then I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric in there. This is a everything bagel thing, but I put turmeric in there. And a little bit of water. That's enough to get it down. Alright, stir it up. Stir that drink up. And alright, let's get this shit down. Oh, alright, let's get it down, y'all. Sun bright this morning. Alright, Quinn. Come on. You can do it. Alright, so I got cayenne pepper, turmeric, and lemon juice from a lemon. I used to do this all the time. Then I'll stop and go back to it. Stop and go back to it. Stop and go back to it. Alright. But this is a good shot to take in the morning. Come on, bitch. You can do it. Oh, sour. Oh, Jesus. Come on. All right. Woo. Oh, sweet Jesus. Woo. All right, a little bit more. I need it so. And that's how it's done. Ooh, wake them sinuses up. Wake them up. Calm them down. I mean, not wake them up, calm them down. Also, I'm fasting for 2 days. I haven't eaten nothing since... What did I eat? Yesterday around about... I don't know, about 3 o'clock, I think. I ate like a chicken sandwich at work. But I didn't eat nothing after that chicken sandwich. Today I'm not gonna eat nothing. I'm just gonna only drink my herbal tea. I can have my herbal tea, but I can't put no I can't put nothing in it, like no sweetener in it. Oh, this is my ride. All right, y'all, bye.